everybody, we the Rebuild team are excited to announce our new 5th quarter investor program. This program is designed to create real estate investors in our Black communities. The reason we came up with the 5th quarter investor program is because we want to encourage the Black community to invest. So traditionally when you think of real estate investing, you think of, rich, white, retired people. But we're here to say that real estate investing is for everyone. Whether you're young, old, retired, still in school, but it is for our Black communities, and we are encouraging everyone to get involved. And the reason we came up with 5th quarter is because going back to the HBCU culture. So in the HBCU culture, at the football games, you have this thing called a 5th quarter. That's after the 4 quarters in the football game. That's when the band goes back to back in a battle during the 5th quarter. So typically we want to encourage that culture. So 5th quarter is because after you go through the HBCU process, after you graduate, you're now an alumni. And so we're alluding that to the game culture. So now you're in the 5th quarter. So now you can, begin investing. And also we want to encourage students to invest as well. So it's not just for alumni, it's for students, community members as well. So people who's from, the Black communities. So we really want to hone in on the Black culture and encourage our Black brothers and sisters to invest in real estate. And this is the best way to do it by joining the 5th quarter investor program. So it's a program specifically for us, by us, and for our communities. So the 5th quarter investor program is broken up between 5 individual quarters. So the first quarter is called Get My Money Up. In this quarter, you'll be learning the fundamentals of how to save money, how to get money to invest in real estate, and just the fundamentals of financial literacy. We literally break down how to save money in order to get the financial freedom in order to purchase real estate. And those are broken down into videos that is on our website. The second quarter is called Get My Knowledge Up. So in this quarter, we'll be defining what real estate investing is, the ins and outs of it, different vocabulary words, things that you need to know, laws, really the knowledge behind real estate, so that way you know exactly what you're getting yourself into, and you're not getting caught up in different things. So we go over a lot of different topics in this quarter for you to learn, and those are broken up into videos as well. So quarter 3 is called Time to Invest. In this quarter, we'll be going over the one-on-one consultations. So you can set up as many one-on-one consultations as you would like with us. So that way we can come up with a strategized, personalized game plan specifically for you and your real estate investing goals. So say if your goal is to invest in multi-family apartments down the line, say 10 years down the line, 5 years down the line, that's your ultimate goal. However, right now you want to just start off in single family. We'll put together a strategic game plan for you to get to your short-term goals and your long-term goals. After you saved up your money, you have a little bit of knowledge. So after each consultation call, we'll type up a summary of what we talked about, list out your long-term goals, and also the next steps for you to take to get to your short-term goals on the path to your long-term goals. So we'll type all that up, send it to your email, so that way we're literally creating a game plan for you and your real estate investing goals. So quarter 4 is called Time to Rebuild. In this quarter, you'll be able to purchase properties through us or that's on the MLS, and then you'll also be able to get estimates from us and our construction team in order to see how much it will cost in order to renovate that property. And you'll also have access to our closing team, our closing attorney, our title abstractor, things like that, in order to close on that property. Also in this quarter, we'll have access to our construction team, and we will renovate the property for you based on that estimate. So this is a very hands-on quarter, and it's nearing the end of the game. So it's, yeah, time to rebuild. And we also have a fifth quarter investor group me. So in this group me, people who's involved in quarters 3, 4, and 5 can be a part of the group me. So they have access to other Black investors, no matter what area you're in. So that way we can talk investing, we can talk financial literacy, we can talk game plans as a collective and not just on an individualized basis, because it's all about the combined effort. So also in this group meeting, you'll have access to finding out which properties we have under contract prior to us marketing it out on our social media, our website, things like that. So you have first access to those properties and can get first dibs on it, which is really important in order to get your real estate portfolio up. So it's a really big deal, and quarters 3 through 5 have access to that group meeting. This is a really great program because we're literally changing the way our community looks. It's a tangible difference that you will be able to see in your community. When you're a fifth quarter investor, you can actually invest in real time in your community. You can actually receive a return on your investment through rentals, through if you want to flip the property, things like that. And you can see the difference that you're making in your communities and your culture. And we have everything in-house, which is very different from other companies who do similar real estate investing strategies. But we have everything in-house, so we have the whole team in order to have access and have less roadblocks along the way as well. So it's a really good program that we encourage everyone to take advantage of, because we are literally changing the way our Black communities look. So if you want to be a part of that change, become a fifth quarter investor.
It's time to